Hello, good afternoon everyone, and welcome once again to Sharif Technologies YouTube channel. As you all know what we've been doing here, in today's video we are going to look on how we can access the internet with our device in airplane mode. Okay, so you've been watching tutorials on this trick and you wonder whether it works or not. So I'm going to prove to you that this works, but what you have to know is that this doesn't work for all devices, and at the end of this video I will disclose something new to you. Okay, so without wasting much time, let us get into the video. First of all, you have to make sure that your internet connection is off. As you can see, mine is off over here. So you turn on your airplane mode and then go to your phone dialer and dial this code *#* 4636 *#* and automatically your phone will dial this code and take you to this page. So over here you have to tap on the phone information and scroll down to this place. You will see mobile radio power over here. This, you turn it on or you switch it on. So let us switch it on and see what happens. When you switch it on and you scroll to the top, you will see that data service and they will say connected. So let us turn it off and see how this thing will. Okay, so right now you can see that they say it is disconnected. Okay, so after turning it on, it will be connected again. So when it is connected like this, it means that your data service is now working. So let us, but the device is still in airplane mode. Okay, you can see that my device is still in airplane mode. So let us do something to see that, or to prove that we are indeed. Let us launch Facebook. As Facebook, if you don't have network you cannot go there, but you can see I am browsing on Facebook with my phone in airplane mode. Let us go to maybe Google and Google anything, and in fact it will work. Let us Google anything. Wow, you can see I am using internet, or I have access to the internet with my phone in airplane mode. Okay, I think this is enough for you to be able, or to believe that I'm really using the internet with my device in airplane mode. But guys, over here I would like to share with you, many people will do this tutorial and tell you that it is free internet. I tell you, if you don't have any internet connection, you try this, I bet you it is not going to work for you, because you are still using your data bundle for this. It only restrict your phone from receiving calls and all that, but it give you access to the internet connection. That is what it does for you. Okay, so in case you don't want people to be disturbing you, like you don't want to receive any call, and when you turn on this do not disturb mode, the call will come but the phone will automatically hang it up. So it may lead to some, so people will say I've called you and you cut the call and all that. So if you don't want that to happen, you turn on your airplane mode, and you also want to do something on the internet, you have to access the internet. Before you can access the internet, you have to turn it off. So if you don't want to do that, you can just do this trick, and then you access your internet whilst your phone is in airplane mode and you cannot receive any call and all that, you understand. So this is the trick, but it doesn't give you any internet connection, like it doesn't give you any free data bundle. You only use your own data bundle. To prove that, let me do something over here. Let me turn it off first. You can see that in my sim 1 I have data bundle, but the sim 2 doesn't have any data bundle. So let me turn it on, and let me switch it to the sim 2 and access the internet. Try to access the internet and see what happens. Okay, let me try to access the internet. Let's say, okay, you can see. All right, so you can see that on my sim 2 the internet connection is like I am unable to do anything on this thing on the internet because I don't have any bundle. So you can see it is not working. So yeah, so guys, this is what I have for you today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you are new here, and also like and share this video for others to also benefit from it. Thank you very much.